My name is Tommy Musi, and I'm a data analyst at Omega Consulting. I'll be going through augmented reality with you and showing you how it brings value to the table. It's a new tool that is being used across multiple industries to revolutionize business processes and increase efficiency across the board. So, what is augmented reality? At its base, augmented reality allows users to view and interact with digitally superimposed images, animations, sound, and text overlaid onto the real world. At first, these interactions happened with mobile devices, but as the technology developed, it will transition to hands free wearables such as head mounted displays or smart glasses. Augmented reality allows users to interact with the world they see. By superimposing digital information onto real objects and environments, AR allows users to process both the physical and digital worlds simultaneously. This eliminates the need to mentally bridge the two, resulting in a crossover between the real and digital worlds, allows users to rapidly and accurately absorb information, make decisions, and execute the required actions quickly and efficiently. Here we have one of the most popular examples of AR games on mobile devices, Pokemon Go. The Pokemon would appear on screen looking as if they were part of the real world using the phone's camera as a background. This was truly a revolutionizing game when it came out. As technology becomes increasingly smart and connected throughout all sectors, both consumers and businesses can monitor product operations and conditions in real time, control and customize product operations remotely, and optimize product performance using real time data. AR increases the value created by smart and connected devices by allowing users to visualize and access all the new incoming data and changing how they receive and execute instructions and guidance. The combination of new data and AR's key capabilities opened the doors for users to interact with products and systems in a revolutionary way. The first capability is visualization. The visual element of AR is indispensable when interacting with complex products or equipment. AR allows users to have an X-ray like vision, revealing internal features of complex machine that would be impossible to see otherwise, erect three-dimensional models right in front of you, or generate cute Pokemon for you to catch. The instructive element of AR is where most businesses can extract value from the technology. Instruction, training, and coaching are critical functions to workplace productivity, yet are inherently costly and labor intensive. In person training is expensive and requires both teacher and student to be at the same location multiple times. The traditional learning environment for businesses can be slow and time consuming, but these parameters change drastically with the introduction of guided augmented reality. AR addresses those issues by providing real time, on site, step by step visual guidance on tasks such as product assembly, machine operation, or warehouse picking, to name a few. A complex two-dimensional schematic of a procedure becomes an interactive three-dimensional hologram that walks the user through the necessary steps and procedure. Next is improved decision making. AR has the unique capability to communicate specific details about the look and feel of a product that traditional photos just can't match. Customers are better equipped to make more confident buying decisions, leading to increased satisfaction and stronger customer loyalty. 71% of customers said they would shop more often if AR was involved in the decision making process. 40% of customers said they would pay more for a product if they could customize it through AR, as customers cannot see, touch, or feel the product from just an online store. Finally, interaction. Traditional physical buttons or interactive touchscreens are used to interact with products and complex machinery. As products become smart and integrated through the internet, mobile devices have become essential to control machinery remotely. Augmented reality allows businesses to use virtual control panels directly superimpose onto the product and operating it using the AR headset. Hand gestures and voice commands are used to engage with the control panel without having to physically interact with the product. Improvements in voice recognition and movement are still being made, yet implementation can be seen across multiple industries. So, which companies use AR to their advantage? Here we have a short list. Uh, with examples that greatly extract value and revolutionize the way users interact with the business. First, we have Gatwick International Airport. The Gatwick Airport passenger app uses over 2,000 beacons across Gatwick Airport to aid passengers through a three-dimensional map of the airport, including retail services, locations, information desks, bathrooms, gate and terminal informations, and incoming and departing flight information. It's a one-stop shop for the Gatwick Airport. Next is IKEA. Here we have a short video explaining the IKEA Place app.
Hey, IKEA would like everyone to know about Place, our new augmented reality app. Built on Apple's new AR kit, you can easily place true to scale 3D models of IKEA furniture in your place. Scan, browse, select, move, and place.
That way you can design your entire living room with the IKEA app from the comfort of your own home. You don't actually need to go to the store, and you can pick out the items, add them to your shopping cart, and have them shipped directly to your house, all from the comfort of your home. Next is Rolex. Rolex developed a virtual try on technology that allows customers to see how a specific timepiece would look on their wrist from the comfort of their own home. This allows customers to try on the entire Rolex catalog, increasing the visibility of certain watches that aren't as well known as their best selling items. Moving on, we have AccuVein. AccuVein uses AR technology capabilities to convert heat signatures of a patient's vein into a superimposed image onto the patient's skin. This makes veins easier for doctors and nurses to effectively locate the patient's veins and improves drawing blood and other vascular procedures. Using AR triples the likelihood of a successful needle stick on the first try and reduces the need of escalation, for example, calling for assistance, by 45%. Finally, we have the United States Army. The US Army employs AR technologies with an eyepiece called Tactical Augmented Reality, TAR for short, which allows soldiers to locate the positions of their squad members as well as enemy positions. The information provided by the TAR is essential to reduce friendly fire and casualties on any battlefield. The TAR also allows US soldiers to see how far a target is located and is expected to replace night vision goggles along with handheld GPS systems. The last section of the presentation focuses on AR VR markets and what is expected from the future. The augmented and virtual reality market sizes across the globe is expected to increase at an exponential rate for the next 3 years. As worldwide lockdowns continue and in store experiences are limited, consumers will opt for AR experiences to increase their understanding of the products they're interested in. Currently, China leads the way in AR development and spending, followed closely by the United States. Both of these countries will outspend the rest of the world combined and will be the major players in capturing market share in the years to come. Worldwide spending on AR is forecast to be $19 billion in 2020, an increase of 79% from 2019. The latest update to IDC's Worldwide Augmented and Virtual Reality Spending Guide shows that worldwide spending on AR and VR products and services will grow continuously throughout the 2019 through 2024 forecast period, achieving a 5-year compound annual growth rate of 77%. Augmented reality is expected to grow significantly in the years to come, creating opportunities to invest and grow as a business. Worldwide spending on AR and VR solutions is led by the commercial sectors, which will grow from less than 50% in 2020 to 69% in 2023. The commercial industries are expected to outspend all other industries, with retail spending the most at 1.5 billion, followed by manufacturing at 1.4. Commercial use will account for nearly half of all AR VR spending in 2020, led by training at 2.6 billion and industrial maintenance at 914 million. Consumer spending is led by two large use cases, VR games, which account for 3.3 billion, and VR featuring at 1.4 billion. Augmented reality has multiple applications and use cases that improve both the consumer and business experience. Whether it be animating new three-dimensional landscapes for consumers to understand products better, or allowing companies' employees to better interact with the products and machinery. Businesses focused on retail sales have much to gain from employing augmented reality into their business processes. As e commerce increases worldwide, being able to showcase your product catalog in three dimensions greatly benefits both the consumer experience and the business sales growth. Users can spend more time with the product and interact with it from the comfort of their own homes. Companies using complex machinery can take advantage of augmented reality's ability to instruct and guide employees through laborious procedures and intricate assembly. The power to teach and tutor employees more effectively than traditional methods of learning is critical to business development. Universities and other learning institutions can also employ AR technology to further their students' understanding and make learning more interactive in the sciences. Overall, countless opportunities that bring competitive advantages are created for businesses as the technology matures, offering more customization on how to apply augmented reality into business processes to create valuable change. Thank you very much.